Today I'm going to be doing an unboxing of the Qiyi Dino Cube. This of course is an instruction pamphlet. This one's actually pretty easy to solve. Yeah. This pattern of moves and you can solve it. Okay. Oh, this sticker is damaged. I don't like that when that happens. Okay, so yeah. Okay. Turns like this on the corners. Like this. So just doing this algorithm. We'll just swap some pieces. Overall, the turning is not that good, but like, and I think so far I would rate it like a 3.5 out of 5, because first of all the stickers are damaged, which I really don't like about that. I really don't like that. But yeah, let's see if I can solve it. So I'm gonna use white. Okay, insert this piece. Okay, now I'm going to do the edges. There. There. Okay, and then how do you even do this? This? Yep, okay. Yeah, overall this cube, it's not too good because, yeah, and the stickers are damaged here. Should have gotten stickerless actually, but like, yeah. The turning is like okay. I would rate it like a 7 out of 10. And it's a really easy cube. You only need to know one algorithm. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to my channel. I want to reach 100 subscribers like really soon. Bye. Merry Christmas.